It's so strange. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. It's so strange. After they crushed you with all their conspiracy and their jealousy, when you getting back on your feet, you see that's fake people, fake friends, fake friendships, one by one. And now, oh my God, now you know them. You know them. You know the origin of those fake assholes. It's interesting. Many of them claim to love and be friends with you. Many meetings become repetitive for you. Many of the people I had seen on my path to success, when they tried to, unbelievable, when they tried to knock me down, are present on my return to success. You have to be very strong. You must be it's too important. It's too important. You must be your own secret keeper. You have to be very, very strong and be very careful. Because this world has no place for weak people. And that's true, 100%. You have to believe in yourself. You have to respect yourself. You have to love yourself. When you don't accept yourself, yourself, your inner self, your true self, and don't value yourself, how can you expect others to understand your values and respect you and believe in you? How? So, love yourself. Believe in yourself. Respect yourself. And always remember, self-esteem, self-love is very, very important to you. Always. And always remember, there is only one you. Thank you for watching my videos, and thanks for supporting me. And if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, like and share it. Thanks. Focus on yourself, and always remember, you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. Okay? Love you. Bye.